Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at creating a new time zone in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the time zone will belong to. Navigate to the Time Zones menu option in the top bar. Time Zones in VOLO. Define when the doors within your system can be accessed by users. Select New from the left-hand side menu. Give the new time zone a name or description. Add any number of time slots to your new time zone, during which you would like the doors to be accessible. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. That's it! Your new time zone is now set up. Watch out for future videos on how to apply a time zone to a site. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description, or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.